What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brandon, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what I just picked up from Amazon. I just picked up a brand new case for my Linkbuds S. So if that's the type of content that you enjoy, go ahead and smash a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so this product here is called the secure lock case for Sony Linkbuds S. So if you just type that in, you should be able to find it. The name of the company, I believe, is WOFRO, W-O-F-R-O. So that's what you're looking for when you go and look for this item. I will have the link down in the description below for you as well. I picked black because I like black, but they also have blue. They got purple. It's more of like a lavender looking purple, like a light purple, and then a metallic red. Blue is also kind of like a metallic-y color, but the black is just black. There's no metallic or satin look to it. It's just a matte black. It's an interesting design, so I was like, you know what? My other one is kind of, it's like a silicone case. Not really a fan of it. So I said, you know what, let me just pick this up and try it out. So, nothing crazy with the package, just your generic cheap packaging. Comes in this plastic. Pull that out of here like this. Again, there's the front, and then there's the back for you. Now, I love these headphones. I use them every single day for work, and this is the case that I have on it right now. Like I said, it's a silicone one, so this top always kind of like flaps down, and I don't really like that. I want something more secure, so I went with a hard shell one, like I normally do. I don't even know why I went with a silicone shell. I just needed something on there quick when I first picked them up. So this is what they look like. Just in case you haven't even picked yours up yet, this is what they look like from the front. Mine might be a little bit dirty from work. And then that's what they look like on the inside there, okay? Nice light material. Okay, so you line it up, you slide them in like this. Bam. And you put this piece on as well, like that. Now, this is what it looks like. Okay, now it's kind of in a lock form, right? You can't pull it out. I mean, you can pull it from the back, I guess, but it doesn't open up from the back like that. Alright, so to open this up, what you do is that textured portion there, that's for your finger, push that in, and this opens up. But now, in your pocket, this won't open up in your pocket. Like this silicone case, it opens up whenever it wants to. It flaps around, and I'm somebody that don't like things flapping around. So this seems like it's going to be a much better situation for me. This case is also more rounded. I like the square, armored, hard case type of feel to it. It makes it feel more heavy duty, sturdy. I just feel like this case is built a much higher quality. I like it. I like the design. I like the hard shell. I like that it's got a little locking mechanism there. Definitely gonna try it out for a week. I'm thinking I'm gonna love it. It looks great. Not much more than I can say about that. I mean, it's got that power off and on button on there as well. I'm thinking it's going to be like an outer box for your Linkbuds. So, if you're in the market for a case, I would definitely check it out for yourself. A link, again, is going to be down below for you. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, smash the like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.